Hello friends, you are welcome back to my channel. My name is Josy. If you are new here, welcome. Today's Transfer Tuesday. We're going to talk about my debt. The only student loan that I have that is left. We just added one debt to it, but we are trying it as possible to pay it off because we own IRX about 5,000, which I'm planning that we will pay it off probably in a month or two. But my student loan is something that I've been updating everybody on Transfer Tuesday. I can't wait to get it done. Let's dive into the video. Keep watching. Hi, hello. Today's Transfer Tuesday for my OG. You guys know what we're going to do here. And remember, I love you guys so much. For my new subscriber, you are welcome. Thank you for being part of my friends. If you can do me a favor and you're a new subscriber, when you make a comment, make it like a new sub here. And I just want to give you a special welcome. Thank you so much. So today, Transfer Tuesday, I'm going to make it quick and simple. But remember today, our motivational message is telling us that just breathe. Life goes on. Let's take a deep breath. Breathe out. Breathe out. Breathe out. We did it 3 times. You had breath in you. Life goes on. I'm telling you, life goes on. Of late, I've been thinking about how I can take good care of myself. If I wake up and I'm alive, I think about how this day is gonna go. And I also think about how I don't want anything to stress me, because the more you get stressed, it lower your age. Yes, stress can lower your age. Anxiety, depression can make you more sick and you can die. I don't want to die early. I don't want anything to stress me up. So while I'm thinking that I'm alive, I'm also thinking what are some of the things I can do so that I won't get stressed out, so that somebody cannot stress me out. So if you are alive, life goes on. Just take a deep breath. One more time. Let's do it one more time. That's the deep breath. And remember, on this channel, I've been telling everybody we are simply blessed. We are already blessed. So don't let something stress you out. Student loan is stressing me out. I have decided not to let it stress me out. I'm just going to do my best. Pay it off gradually. And at the end of the day, I know I'm going to pay it off. So I won't let it stress me out. So today, let's dive into today's video. We are in week 2. You guys remember in week 1, we end up with 55,700. As of today that I'm checking, of course, because of interest, we are starting today. The starting balance, when I checked today, was 55,000. Lucky we are still in 55,755.57. So that's how much we have. It means that we had an interest of $55.57. That's the interest that we have. And for my payment today, I'm paying $100.57. This $100 is my regular $20, and I also added $80 to it from my account. And normally I'll pay the cent on it. For those of you who have been watching me, I'll pay the cent on it. So for today balance, let's get our calculator going. I think I can do the math in my head. Let's see. Now, girl, don't even try. Okay, so 55,755 57 minus, I know I did it wrong, so 55,755 dot 57 minus 100 dot 57. So our balance for today is 55,655. I feel like it's not right. Let's see. Let me do it again. I feel like it's supposed to be 45 rather. Minus. Oh, okay, minus 100. Okay. Never mind, I'm the one overthinking. So that's how much is left. Our percentage to debt free, which is very important to me, will be 55 divided by my starting balance, 93,609.6. 100 minus 100. So we still have 40, so 40.55. We are still at 40%. So that's 40%. Okay. So that's how far we are for week 2. And for those of you who have been asking me, this one I have it on my Etsy shop. It's a pair of chart, and it start and to the end. All these boxes are 100 of them, and I've already shaded the 40. And it has motivational messages as you go. You guys know how I like my motivational messages, so it has them as you go. And yeah, we are here. We are getting there. I'm not giving up yet. I also have you're almost there. I also have It Always Seems Impossible Until It's Done by my favorite person, Nelson Mandela. So this is how it look like. I have it in my shop. For those of you who were asking me, I do have it in the shop. So this is how far we have come. As you can see, we left off with 55,655. That's how much. So we went down for like $45 from last week, but I paid $100. So you see that is going into interest, which is okay. I'm paying. So like I said, I'm not getting worried about this. I know God is taking in charge, control. I'm not going to worry about the student loan. So I hope everybody is doing very well. I didn't ask. I hope everybody is doing very well. For anything, I'm telling you, just breathe. Life goes on. Let's do the breathe in, breathe out again before I end the video. We did it 3 times. So life goes on. Thanks for watching me. I'll see you in my tomorrow's video. Bye bye bye.